Hi guys, good morning. I woke up not too long ago. You would think that I woke up hours ago with the way I'm speaking. But yeah, I woke up not too long ago just with my face. So I'm putting on some moisturizer and I have a lot of things I have to do. Like, do you ever wake up one day and think about a tall list of all the things you have to do and it just feels like you don't have enough hours in a day to do all these things? That's how I feel today. I have to do the dishes from last night. Don't do that. Editing a video and I realized that I haven't filmed some part of the video and the video is supposed to go up today, so I'm supposed to film that, edit. Whew. After that, I'm supposed to film about 2 or 3 videos that are going to go out this week. So, but it's going to be a long day and I also have to do some grocery shopping. So it's a long day. I also have to study. Yeah, that shouldn't be at the last. What am I doing? Basically, I have a lot of things I need to do. Okay, so I have a lot of things I need to do. I'm just going to do the dishes and then we'll take it from there. Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind. Feels so nice. Results were negative, so I cannot tell. I'm going to be documenting my journey. I will see you in this video. Alright, so I'm done filming. Actually, I'm not done filming. I filmed just one video, the one that's supposed to go up today. I mentioned earlier that I have a video that is a bit incomplete that I have to film portions of today, so I did that. It took a while because I was trying to switch up my setup and I did that. I liked the setup, so yeah, you probably may have seen the video by now, but I'm done. It's around 1 o'clock now and I have to go do the groceries because if I go now I get like fresh produce and all of that. If I go a little late, it's just people have picked the best ones and so this is the best time to go. So I'm going to go now, come back, finish the edit for today's video, upload it, and then I will film the 2 other videos. So yeah, take the few things on my to-do list, so that's making me very pleased. And you can see that when I was filming the video, I was looking a bit washed out, like no color, so I added a little bit more blush. But now you can see that my cheeks are really rosy. I'm not going to take out the lashes. I'm just going to go do my shopping, come back and continue filming. I'm not an expert, so I can't be taking off and popping on lashes just like that. A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down. Okay, so it is currently, I think, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I think it's actually 6 o'clock, and take this thing off. And I'm just going to give up on, not give up, if I'm being honest, not give up. I was trying to finish my video latest by 6 and then upload it so that it goes up latest by 7:30. But I'm just going to be honest with myself and just stop editing or stop trying to upload that video today, because it can go up today, but it will be late. Like, it will probably go up by 9:30 once I'm done with all the tags, the title, the thumbnail. And I don't think I mean, I could just upload it tomorrow. I don't like uploading on days that my subscribers are not used to me uploading. That's why I was trying as much as possible to push and upload it today. I upload it tomorrow, which is Monday. Hopefully people watch. I hope they watch. Anyway, because I was actually trying to get to be done with this video, I haven't sorted out the groceries I got, so I'm just going to do that now, cook something, find something to eat, and then I'll go film one video. And I have one video in me that needs to come out today so that I would not be found wanting this week. But let me show you what I got. It's just basic home stuff, right? We got some lemon, and then some pepper, some cucumber. It's called Lebanese cucumber. Some ginger, then some carrots, some mushrooms, all-purpose flour. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. It says all-purpose flour, and then here I'm seeing best ever banana bread. Why would you say it's an all-purpose flour and then put a banana bread recipe at the back? A bottle of sugar. We have some tomato paste, tomato, and more crackers. So yeah, that's all I got. I'm going to put every single thing where it's supposed to be, and then I'll get to finding something to eat.
A few moments later.
You can just, anybody can hear, but if you do that, it is possible. Biko, I'm saying a lot. Anyway, this is just trial. Okay, so I think it's past midday. It's like 2 o'clock ish, and I'm hungry. I just finished editing the video that was supposed to go up, and I'm uploading it on my YouTube channel, but I haven't really eaten today. So, well, I've had breakfast, but it's past 2 o'clock now, so I'm hungry. I got some sweet potatoes when I went grocery shopping. Ignore my nails. I hurt myself. Let me show you. So this nail broke, and then look at this one. This one, my entire nail actually broke. So like half my nail is gone. So ignore the nails. Once they're healed, I'll get them done, but for now they're not healed, so it is what it is. But yeah, I woke up and I wanted to have sweet potatoes with some fried chicken. So I did all the things that needed to be done. And this chicken has been marinating for probably an hour or two. I'm going to let it sit for some time while I peel my potatoes. So what I'm going to do is, actually, let me show you what meal I'm preparing as opposed to telling you what I'm doing, okay? So the first part of the meal, I have sliced my potatoes. These are sweet potatoes, so I sliced them, soak them in water for a bit, and I'm going to deep fry them. Then for the stir fry, you need some onions, cucumber, some carrot, green pepper, and some tomatoes. So after that, we come to the chicken. I think it's marinated for a couple of hours now, so I'm just going to fry it now. Okay, so for the chicken, first of all, you need an egg, and then I need to make my mixture because I want very crunchy chicken. All-purpose flour. I wish I had breadcrumbs, but there are no breadcrumbs. I don't know. I'm going to add a little bit of oats. Wait, let me check if there's oats. So there's oats. I'm going to add a little bit of oats to the flour. So I've crushed my oats a little bit. I'm going to pour that in. And then I'll add a little bit of pepper. Okay, just a... Okay, that's not a little, but yeah. Tad bit of salt. And then I just mix everything together. And I whisk my egg. Alright, so step one, take your chicken and then dip it into the egg like that, and then into the flour. So the egg helps a lot of flour to stick onto the chicken. Pretty much going to do the same thing for every piece of chicken here, and I'm going to put this together. I like how it looks. Yeah, this thing is hot.
Talk to me